What is up, you guys? I'm here back with another video. Here at the bike shop, compressor running, just opened the shop up. Today I'm going to be doing the water pump, thermostat, and front brake rotors. Just going to clean up the pads in the meantime. Kind of just rub them down on the street. We do that with the race bikes on the track and stuff, and it works pretty well. So it won't leave any marks. That's because the stop tick pads I was going to get were on back order. So in the meantime, I got to get something done because the vibration in the steering is getting really bad. So yeah, you guys, I just opened up. I'm going to jack the car up, set up my tripod, and let's get to it. Alrighty, you guys, so I paused the video really quick just to show you guys this, how dope. So I was gonna change the water pump and the thermostat. I don't need to change the thermostat. Let me turn the camera around real quick. Sorry if I look kind of weird, the sun was in my eyes. You guys see that right there? That's a billet thermostat, you guys. I have never seen one on a car before. So it turns out my coolant leak was this hose right here. It has expanded and then it was coming loose, even though it's a heater hose. So I'm gonna buy a silicone one and do it a one piece. But yeah, you guys, so here it is. I'm gonna keep putting it back together. Well, taking apart the water pump more, and then I'll start putting it back together. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, so I got it out. Huge difference here. It's dirty, I've never cleaned it. Oh, and I did not have to take out the thermostat. Just took it out there. I've never taken this screw off. I forgot there was a 10 on top. So I'm gonna have to put a new screw with a nut through it and tie that sucker back down like nobody does. There she is. Guys, I can't believe I have a billet thermostat housing. That is so freaking cool. Man, look at that. All right, so let's continue on, you guys. I have this hose off as well, by the way. And I'm probably gonna need to buy this hose like I was explaining to you guys. It's full of corrosion, it was dripping down. That's what was causing the leak. And I might just redo this whole hose with silicone. So yeah, you guys, I'm super happy with it so far. It's coming along great. I'm probably gonna actually snake this hose right through this gap here and then do a 90 and angle it that way with the 90 I have right down there. So that has to come today or soon. So yeah, you guys, there it is. Let me put the new one in and let's keep rolling. you guys. So this used to go on that tri-piece that runs on that plastic line right there in the cross member, and it ran from down here, zip tied to here, to the bottom of the expansion tank, which is that hose. Coincidentally, the 3/4 inch hose I needed was on my catch can setup, just the right size, so it is going to be a full one piece like I was just speaking to you guys about doing. I'm just gonna have to see it will fit. It's a little snug, but she'll work. So yeah guys, I'm just happy I was able to make it work, clean up the engine, make it a lot nicer and sleeker. So let me continue filming and I'll show you guys in a bit. Alright you guys, it is officially done. Boom, sneaked in straight through there, which was my original plan, no kinks. It's about to start raining, let me finish up you guys. You guys, there it is. Just let the system. Car's warming up. So I don't have my pressure tester with me, so I just blew into the tank and I blew as hard as I could just to get all the air out before I even started the pump. There it is. Gotta top it off a bit. Pretty good pressure. Crazy how the blow box just opens up in the air. Yeah, you guys, there it is. Let's get to the brakes.